You're watching Fox 13, the most powerful name in local news.
Welcome back. It's 9/11. It has been a battle for years, and some call it a civil rights issue. Others call it a family issue. We're talking about gay adoption. Just 2 days ago, an appeals court upheld a lower court's ruling saying, yes, homosexual couples can adopt here in Florida, and that the current law is unconstitutional. But as with most things these days, it ain't over yet. Plaintiffs in this case say they want to see this go all the way to the Florida Supreme Court. He was just with us in the last half hour. He continues. Former prosecutor Matt Englett joins us again with the law firm of KEL. And good to see you.
Thanks for having me.
It's good to have you here. We needed you for two things today. It's always good to have a lawyer in the house. All right, we're going to keep the personal opinions and passions out of this for a while. Let's just talk about the legal perspective on this. Is the judge right in saying it violates the Equal Protection Clause of the Constitution?
From a purely legal perspective, I think he is. The state has a very low standard here to uphold this statute. They have to show a good rationale to exclude gays from adopting children. Their rationale is this: children who are raised by straight parents have man and woman have much better role models and will face less discrimination. That's their rationale for this statute. The problem with that is the trial judge had all types of experts on child development come in and give testimony, and almost hands down, all the experts said that all the long-term studies done on this indicate that children raised by a gay parents and children raised by straight parents turn out to be relatively the same. And so the judge in this case, the appellate court, ended up ruling against the statute and found it unconstitutional. Another thing that I think really hurt the state's case in upholding this statute is that they allow gays to be foster parents. So it's okay for gays to raise children in a foster home situation, but it's not okay for them to adopt. And that's actually what happened in this particular case.
Matt, we've got a minute left. I want to tell you that. But apparently the DCF has already changing policy. The new thing they're saying is based on a ruling, the current law is unconstitutional. They've told their employees you are no longer to ask prospective adoptive parents whether they are heterosexual, gay, or lesbian. So they've already changed where they stand. Does this mean gays can adopt in the state of Florida now?
Right now, if you're in South Florida, you can adopt. Gays can adopt.
You said South Florida.
Yeah, South Florida, because this is where this opinion came out of. Now, what's going to happen is all around the state, there will be other cases popping up to challenge the statute. So the other appellate courts within the state are probably going to follow suit. So yes, I think eventually gays will be able to adopt statewide.
We got to run. There's a possibility this will go to the Supreme Court. We can talk about that another time, okay?
Okay.
Matt Englett, good to have you here. Thank you very much. Okay.